In the shadowed annals of ancient occult arts, augury emerged as a sinister divination, peering into the future through the eerie behaviors of birds, harbingers of fate, curses, and hexes. Across forgotten civilizations, these winged omens dictated destinies and unleashed dark prophecies. Dive into the abyss of Mesopotamia's Tablet 79 from the Šumma Ālu, a grimoire of thousands of bird-born portents. If a falcon fluttered its wings before the king and screeched twice, victory was his, the monarch's deepest desires fulfilled in shadowed triumph. But beware the curse of 5 screeches, summoning a messenger cloaked in doom, bearing tidings of ruin and betrayal. Unlock the forbidden secrets of bird augury's malevolent magic at darkbargain.org.
Made with 1703.co.